Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, friends. Welcome back to my channel. XCSF 240 CP 24 volt 10 ampere industrial power supply with DIN rail. I connected line, neutral, and this 120 volt jumper is removed. When we are connecting to 220 volt, this jumper must be removed. I connected to power. It is giving sound and red LED is on. This red LED, overload LED, is giving indication. Let's open it and we will see what's wrong here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because here are live voltage. Input AC voltage 238 volt. Output no voltage. And red LED is on. Let's open it. We can see there is some smoke signs. These debris for the smoke, and here is smoke sign. This is condition here. These capacitors are bulged. When we are working on any power supply, always verify voltage on these capacitors. No DC voltage, so it is safe to work. No voltage. Now we can see its output side is damaged badly. PCB tracks are damaged from top side and bottom side. Because it was giving red light here, that means its primary side is working normally. As per my opinion, it is not safe to use anymore. Let's study it. positive terminal from this point, it is coming here. So it is simple to repair, but due to its importance, although it is very expensive, its price is approximately above $500, but due to its usage, it is not safe to use anymore. Yes, the ICS switching. We have voltage on this VCC capacitor. That means the power supply is working. Now we can see green LED is on. Green LED is on. That means the circuit is working, the ICS switching. But due to damage in high current section, we will not allow to use anymore. Although this power supply is not in good repairable condition, but just for practice we will recover it and we will not use it. It is just for study purpose. This line is reaching to this point and this point, and capacitor this end, and winding this side from the back side of the PCB, it is reaching to this terminal and this terminal. This common point, this one, it is common cathode point of this rectifier, MBR 2200 CT. It is positive output terminal. Then from this positive terminal, here is inductor. It is reaching to this capacitor positive terminal. Zener diode. This is its feedback network. Here is optocoupler. Here is optocoupler, current limit resistor, and this end must be connected to output of this rectifier. That is this point. It is reaching to these capacitors here, this end of the inductor, and it is output side. Let's check its output now. Yes, that's nice. Its green LED is now powered on. Yes, we have 26.54 volt, 24.07 volt. That means its output section is good. Now we got an idea that this power supply is functional. Its secondary side is problematic. So I will not recommend to use this power supply anymore. It is using 3842 IC. It's excellent design. But in this case, it must be avoided to install in any circuit. We must destroy this power supply. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.